Are you on the lookout for a soup recipe that's as healthy as it is delicious? Today, we're diving into the world of wholesome goodness with our cabbage ditas soup. An exquisite fusion of simple ingredients, this soup is a testament to the fact that healthy eating can be an absolute delight. With a medley of fresh vegetables and a hint of Italian seasoning, the preparation process is as easy as pie. Stay tuned to uncover the secret to a soup that's both a treat to your taste buds and your health. The magic begins with a pot, a spoon, and a handful of fresh ingredients. Now, let's jump right into it. Start by heating 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. As the oil warms, you'll want to add in the chopped onion, carrots, and celery. These 3 form the holy trinity of flavor in this soup. Stir the veggies around and cook them until they begin to soften. This should take about 6 to 8 minutes. You'll notice the aroma of the vegetables starting to fill your kitchen. Now, it's time to bring more friends to the party. Add the chopped red bell pepper, minced garlic, a teaspoon and a half of Italian seasoning, half a teaspoon of ground pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Stir everything together and let it cook for about 2 more minutes. Now, the base of our soup is ready. It's time to add the star of the show, the cabbage. But before that, pour in 8 cups of low-sodium vegetable broth. Once the broth is in, add the sliced cabbage and the chopped tomato. Turn up the heat to medium-high and bring the pot to a boil. Once it starts boiling, reduce the heat to maintain a simmer. Partially cover the pot and let it cook until all the vegetables are tender. This should take about 15 to 20 more minutes. The final touch? 2 teaspoons of white wine vinegar. Remove the pot from the heat and stir in the vinegar. This will add a delightful tang to your soup. And just like that, you've created a symphony of flavors in a pot. It's a soup that's not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. It's a celebration of vegetables, a warm hug in a bowl, and a testament to your culinary prowess. Congratulations! You've just made a pot full of delicious cabbage ditas soup. Enjoy this bowl of comfort, knowing that it's a perfect blend of taste and health. You've truly brought the magic to your kitchen today. Who knew that making a healthy and tasty soup could be this easy? In a nutshell, we sautéed onions, carrots, and celery, then stirred in bell pepper, garlic, and seasonings. We added a hearty broth, cabbage, and tomato, letting it all simmer until tender. This soup is not only delicious but packed with nutritional benefits. Cabbage is a powerhouse of vitamins, and the other veggies add fiber and antioxidants. So go ahead, give this recipe a try. It's sure to bowl you over.